To make this fading image effect, I will use Instagram post 4:5 format, and I will choose this image for this example, and I will make this image bigger. Like this. I will keep it here and I will use BG remover. Okay, so the background is removed, and after that I will scroll down to find apps. Here write blend and use image blender. Use linear and make this one to the upside, and I will cover it till the shape which I want. I will want till here, so I will keep it like this. Okay, and click on save. Okay, and this one is done. So now I will crop it till here, and after that again go to uploads and use this image again and use BG remover again. Okay, and now I will make it bigger. Okay, like this. Okay, so this one is set. Now I will crop this part because the upward side is not required. And for the background, first I will go to elements and use gradient fade. So I will write here gradient fade and go to graphics and click on see all and use this graphic and change the color to sky blue color. Choose this one, and after that just come here to find this sky blue shade. Okay, so this one is set. Let's make it bigger. Like this, and after that change the background color, just selecting this shade. Okay, so design is done. Now I will right click here, go to layer, send to backward, because I want to keep the gradient just behind this main image. Okay, so this one is done. For the final editing, I will search here light. Okay, and click on see all here. And use this image for this effect. I will keep it till here and right click it, go to layer, send to back. Okay, so the effect is created and I want to keep it like this. And hope you like this tutorial, and this is a very easy one to follow if you want to make the effect. And if you want to learn more tutorials like this, please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to see next. Thank you.